Hi, welcome back to another in MoreSolutionInc.com series on how to use Excel in a medical practice. I'm Nate Moore, and today what we're going to talk about is the header and footer area of page setup. Before we get started, I just finalized arrangements to speak for New Jersey MGMA in February. I'll be there on February 15th. If you're in the Jersey area and like to learn about Excel, there's your chance. Love to see you there. What we're going to do from the page setup menu today is play with headers and footers. Remember last time we looked at this used to be auto, first page number, and we said no, this time we're going to make it 5, and I'll show you where that comes into play as we look at headers and footers. What we're going to do today is look at the basic headers and footers, and then next time we'll come back and play with customizing what's available. What I want to show you is, if you click this drop down, there are all kinds of pre-formulated, pre-populated, all set up, ready to go headers and footers that you can use on your page. Let's just pick the first one. It says page 1, and you're going to say, well, Nate, you just said page 5, and Excel's just got that in there as an example. And let's show you what it looks like. If we go to print preview, and we scroll over there, see page 5 is showing up centered in the middle of my page, and it'll print on every page. So if we come back to page layout and page setup, and header and footer, we're not limited just to page number. Let's scroll back up to the top. Page 1 of question mark says Excel's going to go figure out how many pages they're going to print, and it'll say, hey, page 1 of 5, 2 of 5, 3 of 5, that kind of thing. Or when we're starting with page 5, it'll go 5 of 5, 5 of 6, 5 of 7, depending on how many pages you have. Sheet 1 is simply I haven't titled my sheet anything more fancy than sheet 1, but you can put the worksheet tab name as part of your header. Or you can put something like this confidential, comma, today's date, comma, page 1. What do the commas mean? Well, I'll show you. If we pick that one, what it will do is it separates it between the left side, maybe a center section, maybe we'll call them sections, and a right section. So we got confidential, today's date, and a page number. We can do the name of my spreadsheet, Excel Basics. This is the file location where it's stored. We can put that up there. So if you're like me and you come back 3 months later and like, well, I can't remember where I saved this thing, get in the habit of putting that in the header. Or for that matter, you'll see the very same examples down here in the footer. You could put it in the footer as well and take it out of the header. Whoops. There. You'll see very similar examples in the header and the footer, and it's just a matter of choosing the ones you want. You can put the tab number and the printed page number, the tab number and the word confidential, so it looks like that. You can do this is the page number that it prints on and the name of the file, or you can do the printed page number and the file location. You can do something like this. I think, yep, this is the bottom one. Something like that says prepared by Nate Moore, January 19th, 2012, and page 1. So all these examples are all set up ready for you to go, and it's easy to put a header and a footer onto your worksheet that fast. If you want to do something more than these, what are they, 10 or 12, oh, maybe a few more examples that are created in there, it's easy to do custom headers and custom footers, and we'll talk about those as well as some of these options next time. Thanks for watching.